In this video, we're going to be replacing the front four-wheel drive actuator on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Remove this shield. You want to use a 15mm socket. Take the 4 bolts out. When you get the last one, just hold the shield up and pull the shield down. Disconnect this connector. You might need a pick just to pull the tab back. Then slide the connector back. So you're just getting underneath there and pulling that back. Now we're going to loosen up the actuator. You might want to use a large adjustable, or you could use some pliers if you don't have a large adjustable. Once you break it free, you should be able to do it by hand. And just slide it out. Now before we install this, we just want to take a little bit of pipe sealer. You can just spread that around a little bit. It's going to help it seal a little bit. And line it up. And just tighten it down. Once it bottoms out, just take your adjustable wrench and just snug it a little bit more. That's good right there. Now take the connector, line it up, and lock it down. Now put the plate on, get the bolts started. Now tighten these up.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.